Due to the expanding untagged trend in the era of the post-pandemic of COVID-19, along with the increasing demand for unmanned automation, many companies are accelerating their efforts to transform themselves as smart factories in order to improve their production efficiency and qualities. THiRA-UTECH, a smart solution company, can realize your picture of full automation for constructing a seamless integrated system for global operations, from production planning to manufacturing execution, and to automated logistics. The suggested process of full automation is based on the total solution of THiRA-UTECH that includes the areas of production planning, manufacturing execution, and logistics automation. In the production planning field, you can secure flexibility in the supplying capacity while optimizing the supply chain by establishing demand-based automated production plans. In the area of manufacturing execution based on production planning, productivity can be maximized by monitoring all kinds of information fed from sites through equipment interface, such as lot tracking, work-in-process inventory management, process management, quality management, and so on in real time. In the scope of logistics automation, our solution supports the unmanned automated manufacturing operation by minimizing transport of parts and goods between production processes by utilizing mobile robots based on the information of lots and their equipment at executed sites. Likewise, looking into constructing a system of factory automation and integrated operation, you can secure competitiveness through the full automation of THiRA-UTECH. Now, shall we get to know more about the full automation process of THiRA-UTECH? First of all, for production planning, sales orders that inputted into the ERP are transmitted to the THiRA APS. POs created from the APS are transferred to the ERP, and from there, they are sent to the THiRA MES. In some cases, POs generated from the APS may be directly transmitted to the MES without passing through the ERP. In the MES, transmitted POs generate work orders, and lots are created per process based on these. From there, in order to prioritize lots and allocate equipment, lot lists are sent to the THiRA RTD in real time. By sending out the selected lot and allocated equipment information to the THiRA MCS from RTD, the MCS finds optimal transfer routes from current lot locations to production equipment. To send out transfer orders to Stalker and Mobile Robot, lot information and optimal paths are transmitted to the THiRA SCS and THiRA RCS. Afterward, the SCS and RCS send the information to Stalker and Mobile Robot respectively. The RCS reports the completion of transfer orders to the MCS when the Mobile Robot arrives at number 5 equipment, where the production will take place. Once the transfers are done, the loading completion is reported along with the lot information sent to the THiRA EIS at number 5 equipment. Also, the same information is sent out to the MES and goes through a validation check, verifying lot data. Then, after the approval of validation and passing through the EIS, the lot orders for number 5 equipment are carried out. At the start of work orders, the MES switches its equipment mode from offline to online, and the change status is relayed to the THiRA FMCS so that workers can check the operation standing in real time. Then, THiRA Analytics can detect any abnormalities of work processes, equipment, and qualities from the data collected from MES at an early stage. After the work from number 5 equipment is done, its completion is reported to the MES, and the operation status switches back to offline from online. When the work is completed in number 5 equipment, an unload request is transmitted to the MES through the EIS, and from there, the operation status and its lot information are transferred to the RTD. Once the mobile robot is selected for return, the MCS sends out its route and order, and the RCS calls mobile robot for the job. Likewise, such processes are repeated, with the implementation of full automation in a smart factory can be constructed from production planning, manufacturing execution, and automated logistics. THiRA-UTECH's full automation is founded on a data-driven integrated system, seeking optimization of decision-making and unmanned automation of factories and warehouses. For your roadmap to your future smart factory, begin with THiRA-UTECH.